In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Dying Light co-op on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and invite your friends for a Dying Light co-op session. So first, you will have to proceed through the story until you reach a certain point. Don't worry, when you reach that point, it's going to be very obvious. You will get a warning telling you that co-op mode is now available. In order to do co-op, just pause your game at any time, and if you look at the bottom left corner of the screen, you will find the option to invite players. Usually it is going to be by pressing the square button. Now, you will notice that I am not recording this video on a PlayStation 4. I apologize, I don't have the means to access a PlayStation 4 at the moment, but don't worry, the method is still going to work. So when you press the square button, your social menu will appear, and then you will be able to choose as many friends from your PlayStation Network friends list as you want to invite. So choose all of them and invite them to your party. Once they are here, they are going to appear at the top right corner of the screen under your name. And now all that you have to do is set up the session settings. So press the other button that is displayed and you will be able to change a bunch of options. So you have the game visibility, where you can set it to private, public, or friends only, or LAN. And according to what you set it to, other random people will be able to join. If you only want to play between you and your friends co-op, make sure that you set it to private or friends only. But if you are willing to have other people join you guys, just set it to public. You can then allow human co-ops, leave this enabled, and then for zombie invasion, this is going to come down to the difficulty of the game. You can set it at night, where usually it is the most balanced way. You can set it to never if you just want the most peaceful experience possible, or anytime, where zombie invasions will happen frequently and the game is going to be much more hardcore. But all you have to do to invite your friends is, like I mentioned, go over to the invite players option when you pause the game, and you will be able to invite them from there. I hope I was able to help you on how to play co-op Dying Light on your PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.